So you've studied the charts, you've backtested the strategy. You've even followed your trading plan to the letter, but you're still not winning. Why? Because the problem isn't your strategy. It's how you're thinking, how you're reacting, how you're showing up to the market every single day. Today, I'm breaking down the real reason you're stuck, and it's not something most traders usually talk about. Hi everyone, if you're new to this channel, I'm Kojak's Pro, a trader with over 3.5 years of experience. Traders usually hop from strategy to strategy. I used to be like that in my early years, and in this video I'll be showing you why that particular approach is going to mar your chances of ever being profitable in this market. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. Let's get this out of the way. Your strategy isn't the main reason you're losing, not if it has basic rules, positive expectancy, and risk control. The reason you're stuck is that you're treating strategy like a guarantee instead of a probability tool. A setup isn't a signal to win, it's a signal to take a calculated risk. Pros use systems to manage risk over time. Amateurs use systems to chase perfection. The hunt for a perfect strategy is actually fear avoidance. When you lose, it hurts, not just financially, but psychologically. That pain, it activates your survival brain. Fight, fright, freeze. And suddenly, the calm, rational trader is gone, replaced by someone that is revenge trading or tweaking something midweek. Emotional reactions break consistency. One loss could turn to trade because of tilt. Your nervous system becomes your biggest trading enemy. This can be likened to a fighter pilot abandoning flight protocol mid-turbulence. They crash not because of the storm, but because of panic. Losses are inevitable, but what changes the game is how you interpret them. Do you see losses as a feedback or failure? That choice decides whether you level up or spiral down. You should reframe losses as tuition. Most traders take losses personally. Detachment is key. You could say, I didn't lose. The setup just didn't work this time. This one is deep. Many traders attach their self-worth to their win rate. If a trade fails, they feel like a failure. That identity conflict creates emotional instability. Here's what you should know. You are not your P&L. Self-esteem should not depend on trade outcome. Develop an identity around process, not performance. It's better to say, I'm a trader who follows a process with discipline, not someone who needs to win every trade to feel okay. Pros think in probabilities. They think long game. They are playing to win over a month, a quarter, a year, not a single trade. They accept losing days, they protect their capital before chasing returns, and they don't celebrate wins too hard or more losses too long. Here are 3 mental filters that I use after every trade that changed everything for me. Number 1, detachment filter. Was I following process or chasing outcome? Number 2, neutral observer. If I were coaching someone else, what will I say about this trade? Number 3, zero emotion journal. Without judgment, what did I learn from this trade? It's not about being emotionless, it's about being emotionally trained. Resilience comes from routines and systems that anchor you when emotion spikes. A morning routine sets mindset before charts. Trade reviews should be systemized and not emotional. You should have at least a 24-hour cooling off rule after every big win or big loss. Just like you backtest strategies, you need to backtest mindset behaviors. Treat mental discipline like a skill. Meditate before sessions. Create a pause plan for tilt days. Use affirmations like, I'm here to follow my plan, not to chase profits. So you should know, you're not losing because of strategy. You're losing because of how you think about losing. Fix that and everything changes. If this hits home, download my free guide, 6 mistakes that keep traders broke. Link in the description. If you want to take your mindset even further, watch this next video. It will reshape how you think about trading forever. Please like, subscribe, and comment your biggest mindset struggle. I'll see you in the next one.